Level 2, B. Today, we're going to learn about two concepts. First, adding two-digit numbers that are multiples of 10. Second, adding two-digit numbers. First, I have a question for you. What are the two-digit numbers that are multiples of 10? The two-digit numbers that are multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Let's learn about the first concept. Adding two-digit numbers that are multiples of 10. Let's have an example. 50 plus 30 is equal to 50 and 30 are two-digit numbers that are multiples of 10. First, add the numbers in the ones place. 0 and 0 are the numbers in the ones place. Let's add 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then add the numbers in the tens place. 5 and 3 are in the tens place. Let's add 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. The answer is 80. How about the next example? 33 plus 10 is equal to 33 and 10 are two-digit numbers. Remember, our concept is adding two-digit numbers that are multiples of 10. Are all the add-ins multiples of 10? No! Very good. 33 is not a multiple of 10. So this example does not belong to our concept. Let's learn about the second concept. Adding two-digit numbers. What are the two-digit numbers? The two-digit numbers are the numbers from 10 until 99. Let's have an example. 34 plus 61 is equal to 34 and 61 are two-digit numbers. First, add the numbers in the ones place. 4 and 1 are in the ones place. Let's add 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then add the numbers in the tens place. 3 and 6 are in the tens place. Let's add 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. The answer is 95. How about the next example? 15 plus 4 is equal to 'Is this example correct? No! Very good. All add-ins should be two-digit numbers. So this example does not belong to our concept. It's time for you to do your math task. Good luck!